Your kitchen is more than just a place to cook. It's the heart of your home, where mornings begin, meals are shared, and memories are created. And in 2026, kitchen design is evolving faster than ever, blending functionality with modern aesthetics. If you're planning to upgrade your kitchen or simply looking for inspiration, modular kitchen designs are the ultimate solution. They're stylish, space efficient, and designed to make your life easier. A modular kitchen is all about smart planning. Every cabinet, drawer, and shelf is designed to maximize space and improve workflow. Whether you have a small apartment or a large home, modular kitchens can be customized to fit your needs perfectly. One of the biggest trends in 2026 is minimalism. Clean lines, handleless cabinets, and clutter-free surfaces are dominating modern kitchens. This not only makes your kitchen look elegant, but also makes it easier to maintain. Color palettes are becoming more sophisticated. Neutral shades like white, beige, gray, and soft pastels are widely used. At the same time, bold colors like matte black, navy blue, and deep green are also gaining popularity for a more dramatic look. Two-tone kitchens are a major trend. Combining light and dark shades like white cabinets with wooden finishes creates contrast and visual interest. Materials play a key role in modern kitchen design. Wood, glass, metal, and stone are commonly used. Natural wood finishes bring warmth, while glossy surfaces add a sleek, modern touch. Storage is one of the most important aspects of any kitchen. Modular designs offer smart storage solutions like pull-out drawers, corner units, vertical cabinets, and hidden compartments. Open shelving is becoming increasingly popular. It not only adds a decorative element, but also makes frequently used items easily accessible. Lighting is another crucial element. Under-cabinet lighting, pendant lights, and LED strips enhance both functionality and ambiance. In 2026, smart kitchens are on the rise. Integrated appliances, touchless faucets, and smart lighting systems are making kitchens more efficient and futuristic. Kitchen islands continue to be a favorite feature. They provide extra workspace, storage, and even seating, making them perfect for modern homes. For smaller spaces, L-shaped and U-shaped modular kitchens are highly effective. They maximize space while maintaining a smooth workflow. Galley kitchens are also a great option for compact homes. With parallel counters, they offer efficiency and convenience. Backsplashes are becoming statement pieces. From marble and tiles to textured designs, backsplashes add personality to the kitchen. Countertops are evolving too. Quartz, granite, and marble remain popular due to their durability and aesthetic appeal. Handleless cabinets with push-to-open mechanisms are trending, giving kitchens a seamless and modern look. Glass cabinets and open displays are perfect for showcasing stylish kitchenware. Another trend is mixing textures. Combining matte and glossy finishes creates depth and visual interest. Sustainability is becoming a key focus. Eco-friendly materials and energy-efficient appliances are now a priority for many homeowners. Hidden storage solutions are gaining popularity. Concealed cabinets and appliances help maintain a clean and organized look. Modern kitchens are also becoming more personalized. Homeowners are choosing designs that reflect their lifestyle and preferences. Statement lighting fixtures can transform the look of your kitchen instantly. Neutral kitchens with wooden accents create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Dark kitchens with metallic finishes add a luxurious and bold touch. White kitchens remain timeless and continue to be a popular choice. Open-plan kitchens that blend with living spaces are becoming more common in modern homes. Breakfast counters and bar-style seating are perfect for casual dining. Textured finishes like fluted cabinets and stone surfaces are trending in 2026. Integrated appliances help maintain a seamless look. Soft closed drawers and cabinets add a touch of luxury and convenience. Vertical storage solutions make use of every inch of space. Corner drawers and rotating shelves solve storage challenges effectively. Modular kitchens are also ideal for rental homes because they're easy to install and modify. Mixing traditional elements with modern design creates a unique and stylish kitchen. Warm lighting makes the kitchen feel more welcoming. Glass partitions can separate the kitchen while maintaining openness. Accent walls in kitchens are becoming a design highlight. Compact kitchens can look spacious with the right layout and colors. Mirrored backsplashes can reflect light and make the space appear larger. Minimal hardware creates a clean and elegant look. Bold backsplashes can act as the focal point of the kitchen. Floating shelves add both storage and style. High gloss finishes reflect light and enhance brightness. Matte finishes offer a soft and sophisticated look. Smart storage accessories make cooking more efficient. Hidden charging stations are becoming a modern necessity. Multifunctional furniture is perfect for small kitchens. Modular kitchens are designed to improve workflow and save time. They combine beauty with practicality, making them ideal for modern lifestyles. As you explore these ideas, you'll notice how design trends are shifting towards simplicity, functionality, and elegance. Whether you prefer a minimalist look or a bold, luxurious style, modular kitchens offer endless possibilities. With the right design, even a small kitchen can look spacious and stylish. So take inspiration, plan your layout carefully, and create a kitchen that not only looks beautiful, but also works perfectly for your daily life. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe for more home design inspiration. We bring you the latest trends and creative ideas to help you transform your home. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.